being a hands-on guy and obviously doing a lot of DIY stuff here at home, I really wanted to take a moment to kind of show all the upgrades that we've done here at the house, whether it's the yard or inside, just to really kind of showcase what all has changed here at the house and in such a quick 12 months. I'm now married, I got a baby girl on the way. So we're gonna start by showing you some before and afters of the inside of the house. We literally bought a house that was built in the 40s. It was like real farm style, had big X's across the porch. The porch actually came out pretty much right there, so you didn't have much walkway, and there was a railing. I just chopped all that out, remounted everything, remounted the stairs. I'm gonna go one by all the way up to the railing. We'll say a $30 upgrade. Our Cosmo can't run off the edge like it did last night. Another project. Nice yellow walls. I'm gonna rip that out. Here's what the living room is looking like right now. Took all the trim off, fixed cracks, fireplace situation. All the trim is up, TV's mounted, looking like a new place. Started with a little project yesterday. We thought, let's just take out the brick, the lower brick part of the fireplace. Let's just take out the entire fireplace and give us more room. We got a good view. Might as well bring the couch in here. So now we're gonna go sectional couch here, put a big TV on that wall. Yeah, put a little recliner here. Old farmhouse is getting modernized. And then more sleeping spots for you, yes, right? Please. Here it is. We are fully done with the new living room. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, this is actually Kelsey's job. She did the bar, stained it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, girl, we killed it. The next project for this room, probably keep those two windows and we'll blast out these three. We're gonna do a sliding glass door. We'll bring a porch out to the edge there, and all this will be a porch, a little hangout area. Hopefully do a little pump track right out there. Trying not to get stuck on this amazing baby blue. Now, I'll go through and putty, like wood putty all this, make all these cracks smooth. Now I'll put the middle support in, and then all the slats, and then the mattress can go on. I'm gonna wall that up, and I'm gonna put another doorway in right here so it matches that side. We're gonna take this like fake, it's like foam, cover the entire wall so it'll be a nice feature wall. That goes through to the living room, or that goes to the dining room. And there we have it. Now we have a closet. There it is.
This is me. This is the luxury of being pregnant. This is what Barry gets to look at all the time.
Top bricks. And here it is. This stuff absolutely sucks to paint. So, fair warning, if you do it, it's a bitch of a job. So we got the first coat of paint. It's not what we want. We could be making a much bigger mess, but it's all right.
I was wrong.
I didn't say anything. So here we go. There's no insulation on this entire wall that points right outside. I'm gonna take the ceiling out as well.
I love you.
You read my mind. I've always wanted to own a house that I could completely remodel, and that's exactly what we're doing. Here we have it. We ripped the entire place apart. This is the old house to here. This is the original house. I guess they added onto this. We're gonna raise up the roof, add a ceiling fan, turn the carpet out. This is a closet with these sliding doors. I'm actually gonna put this closet door in the wall, drywall around it, and then we're gonna have a sliding door that's now inside the wall.
For free.
For free, literally recycling so much. I used to be able to touch the roof. Oh, check out my sliding door. Just let me step into the kitchen.
Oh, that is sick.
Pretty cool.
What are the odds that it would fit that entry?
Pretty perfect, huh? I took some old carpet, and now the door actually just slides on the brick so it won't scratch it all up. Just had the ultimate come-up.
$450 rug for $120.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, girl. Last bit of flooring. Got our glue. Got our snacks. Hey, mama. We got all the drywall up and all the putty. As you can see. Oh, look. It's a messy job. Way better. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Looks sick. This is before. This is now. So soft.
Oh my gosh. That looks awesome. Look how good the roof line looks with it.
What's higher? I took the ceiling out.
Oh, you did?
Look at it.
Oh, that's right. Didn't
Yeah,
you?
what's
It
higher?
looks